Hi everybody, today I'm gonna do the quick review of my first ever drone. It's a DJI MINI SE. So I just got this box today, so I'm gonna just unbox and see what's inside the box, and then we'll go from there. So let's try opening the box first. Okay. So I see the drone here, and this is the controller. So let's start with the drone. These are propellers, and it says Mini SE right here. And from the bottom, these are two sensors which sense the surface, and these are the vents for the air to come out. This is the power on and off button. This is camera lens guard. So, and I guess this is the type C charging for the battery. This is for the SD card. I think it takes the micro SD. So let's try to open it. Okay, so here's the drone, and now we'll check the controller. These two are the antennas. I think this is the thing which holds the cell phone, and these are little joysticks to control the drone, and they connect well here. And I think this is the USB port for the cell phone to connect with the drone. Nice controller. Okay, let's see what inside the box. So I see two small cables. I guess this one is the C type USB. This is to charge the drone itself, and other one is the regular USB. I think this is to charge the controller, and it comes with a small package. Okay, these are the instruction manuals and other paperwork, I would say. And these two are I think these are the cables to connect the cell phone with your controller. So I think this is the regular one, and this is for iPhone. I don't have an iPhone, so I don't need this one. There are two extra two joysticks for the controller, and this is a screwdriver, and I guess we have four extra propellers. So if you break or lose propellers, you can use these, and that's it. So this is the unboxing. I'll make another video to show you some reviews about like this one, the Mini SE, and let you guys know how it goes. And yeah, thanks for watching.